Good morning, friends. Today it's 28th of Jan 2025, and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday, the week started on a negative note with a gap down opening. It was backed by the global cues, and finally the Nifty ended almost at its lows at 22,846, down almost 1.16%. So the index is approaching towards the immediate crucial make or break point of 22,800, 22,750 levels, which is important on midterm time frame, sustaining below which the index can witness fresh round of selling pressure, which can aim towards lower support zones of 22,000 and 21,800 zone. As per the price study in short-term time frame, any pullback attempts towards 23,000, 23,200 is expected to witness fresh round of resistance, while positionally 23,800, 24,000 remains important hurdle for this year. Trading below 24,000 mark, the bias remains range to down with the lower support levels. So coming to this week, trading below 23,200, 23,500 zone, the bias will remain upside capped and sell on rise outlook, while slipping and sustaining below 22,800, 22,750 spot zone, the index will be open towards lower levels. For intraday today, 22,920 can be looked as a tug of war levels, which need to be sustained in order to witness fresh round of intraday pullback towards 23,000 and higher levels. So initially, any kind of pullback towards 23,000 is expected to witness fresh round of selling pressure, while on the lower end, intraday support will be at around 22,700 and 22,580. These levels can be looked for buying, keeping strict stop losses of not more than 100 points or 50 odd points as per the risk appetite. Bank Nifty futures marginally outperformed Nifty yesterday. It was down 0.61% compared to 1.16% of Nifty 50, and it ended well above 48,000 mark, which was a crucial support zone on a short-term time frame. The oscillators are still not that negative in banking space, indicating that the pullbacks can be sharp from the lower levels in days to come in Bank Nifty. Especially, it has been nullified by the Nifty IT space, which was it was down almost 3.36% and ended at its lows. Going forward for Bank Nifty for this year as a whole, 50,000, 50,500 will act as an important make or break point. Till the time the index is trading below this zone, the bias remains range to pressure, and on the lower end, slipping and sustaining below 48,000 mark can even retest the lower support levels of 46,000, 45,500 mark. So 48,000 remains important tug of war, and for the day today, the bias will remain range. Important trading zone is 47,500 and 48,500 levels. So pullback towards 48,500 can be looked for contra trading short bets, while dips towards 47,500 and lower levels can be looked for contra trading longs. So for this week as a whole, it need to sustain above 49,000 mark in order to nullify the initial weakness and any kind of pullback attempts. So net overall, both Nifty and Bank Nifty remains range to down, with intraday pullback attempts can be expected backed on the global cues. Thank you.